And hello, everybody. Welcome to English 236, also known as Creative Writing. So glad that you're here. I know that we are embarking on this journey of creative writing under strange circumstances. But the nice thing is, we were already scheduled to take the course in this manner before all this craziness happened, so we don't need to make too many changes. And I have more information about that in the modules. That should be the first place that you go. The modules is the most valuable piece of real estate in our course. It's where the contents of the course are housed. And I have them sequential, the items that you'll need to go through to introduce yourself and acclimate yourself to the course in sequence here. You can go through the Start Here module. This where to go when you don't know is also very helpful. It's just a bunch of campus resources that are very useful. They're not directly related to the course, but there are things that I would like you to know about. You can minimize that module. I don't have it locked. You can just look at it at your own accord. I will move this down to the bottom of the stack once we get underway, once you've familiarized yourself with it, but you can always access it. And then, of course, week one, we'll talk about the assignments that you'll be doing this week. It's actually not a really busy week. It looks like it from here with all the stuff that I do have assigned, but a lot of these things are very small. And not all of them are things that you have to turn in, but they are things that you need to do. I will let you explore that on your own. The Once you familiarize yourself with the modules and how to navigate this course, you should definitely take a look at the syllabus, and I have it saved as a Google Doc in Google Docs. I want you to read through it very carefully. There will be a quiz on that, as well as some online study skills videos that I have you watch in the first week's module. Also, our textbook is Creative Writing, 4 Genres in Brief. I have a link to it right here. You can buy it from a variety of different vendors. I just have it linked to the publisher's listing on their site, Macmillan. You can buy it from Amazon. I personally try not to buy stuff from Amazon for a variety of reasons, but I know that shipping is slower than usual right now. I'm hoping most of you have the text already. If you foresee a significant delay in you getting the text, please let me know. I have assigned stuff from that text starting this week. We need to start working out the text right away. So please let me know if that's going to be a problem. I also highly recommend that you attend our virtual course orientation. That is tomorrow. I have 2 of them scheduled. Oops, excuse me, that's the wrong one. That's the student Canvas orientation, which you should also look at. The virtual course orientations are here. I also have a link to them in the introductory module. First, you need to sign up at Doodle. That's just so I know how many of you will be attending. And then we're going to be meeting through Zoom. It's highly recommended that you use a desktop or laptop computer with a microphone and a webcam to do this, although a phone will work. I have one scheduled tomorrow from 10 to 10:45. I got to fix that. Excuse me, that's my cat. You'll probably be hearing a lot from my cat throughout this quarter when I make videos. They're a little, actually, I have 2. They're a little rambunctious. And then, yes, so that's 10 to 10:45 a.m. tomorrow, and then 1 to 1:45. So I've scheduled 2 separate ones in hopes that everybody will be able to pick at least one that will fit their schedule. If you are not able to attend either one of those tomorrow, and you only have to attend one, please email me and let's meet virtually. Those are my office hours. That's how I'm going to be holding my office hours this quarter by appointment, pretty much anytime during the day, Monday through Friday between 10 and 5. If you want to meet outside of those times, I might be able to do that. But either way, if you give me 24 hours notice so we can schedule something, that's great. And of course, as I mentioned, we're going to use Zoom. Also, the Remind texting service is very helpful. I have the link right here. This is a way that we can text each other using our phones, and it's basically an intermediary service, and it's very private. It will not share your phone number with me, nor mine with yours. So I think it's a great way for us to communicate with each other and kind of sidestep the somewhat cumbersome interface of the Canvas email function. Sorry, my cats, they always seem to want to get loud when I'm doing videos. And finally, yeah, that's it. So if you have any questions, please email me. I also have this discussion forum set up, and I'm just going to put it at the end of each weekly module. This is where we can all ask each other questions. If a question comes up and you think other people might find that question useful, just post it up here. I'll try to answer it as soon as possible. But if you have the answer to that, just feel free to post it up there. This is where we all help each other out. Basically, this is the hive mind of the class. So there's a lot of information that you're going to have to kind of absorb over the next few days. And I know it can get kind of overwhelming, but I'm here to help. So please just email me if you have any questions. And I very much look forward to working with all of you. It's going to be a great course. Even though we are kind of working under weird circumstances, I think this is still going to be a great course. And I very much look forward to it. So let's get started.